welcome back to Naya and Stasia channel, aka Wonder Girl.
And today we're gonna make slime.
So first you'll need a bowl, food coloring, glue,
And we're gonna use the blue.
well,
Because
she's
the color
using blue, and blocks in water, and a bowl. So let's get started.
Okay.
So first we're both gonna split the glue. So
And she has the.
I'll pour it for her. So.
And then I'm gonna do the coloring. Put the little coloring. It doesn't matter.
Oh, squirt the glue! Squirt the glue! Hurry, come on.
Okay, we have my
You got this. Wait, no, don't drink that. There's borax. Squirt. Got the everlasting glue.
Okay, my turn to go.
I got the glue. Oh! Got the table!
I got
Wait. Okay.
it.
We'll take it every bit.
What? It got on my table.
Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? I want you to come out of here.
Get the glue out.
Shit. Oh, it's almost done.
It's almost done. You wasted all my table.
Well, sorry, little cousin. I'm lazy.
This food coloring is different colors. Is yellow, red,
And that's it. So, we're done with it.
and now let's keep that.
Food coloring.
I don't mind.
So I just not too much.
Okay, that's too much. And then mix it.
What are you?
Okay, go get a spoon.
Sure. If there's not, wash it.
Go be safe.
You found the spoon?
Okay, now mix it.
Oh.
Oh, it's a spoon.
I made purple. I mixed red and blue, guys, and look what I did. I made purple. You want red too to make purple?
Yeah.
Now just use it like that.
No, purple with it. This doesn't look like a brain, man. It looks like a brain.
Then add more borax. So guys, I forgot to tell you. First you get a bowl, you pour the glue, and then that's when you add your food. You add your food coloring. That's when you pick any color you want. That's when you get. That's when get some borax. You pour it slowly, and you pour. And then that's
Some
when
red, a little bit red.
stir it, and get your color.
I'm doing a little bit red.
You don't work. You should have never done that. Yours is done already. You just gotta keep moving. Hold on, let me fix hers for her. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Okay.
See guys, let's fix it. I'm back to that.
It looks a little bit good.
Ew, it look like a brain.
It does.
You gotta keep squishing and play. Your hand's gonna get a little sticky, bro.
So glue my hand.
If you don't mind. Jordan, move. Look at this crazy cat.
Oh my god! Ew!
Oh, it's so brainy.
But does kind of look good.
There's the one.
Double glue. No,
Well, guys,
it's so hard.
bye. Like and
No,
subscribe.
we're not done.
Just joking.
Okay, I'm gonna use it with my hand. I want to use it sticky. And brain is disgusting. No! Okay, no, yeah.
Bye, guys. Like and subscribe. Love you all.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.